This 2020 Airstream Atlas 24 Mega Siemens Murphy Suite is a Class B Plus RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 24 feet 9 inches in length and features a desert tunnel, Macchiato interior, sleeps 2, water heater, slide-out, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, air conditioning, TV, leveling jacks, DVD player, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, and 23 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2020 Airstream Atlas 24 Mega Siemens Murphy Suite is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.